From outside to inside, through the red brick wall is a layer of green trees covering the house. There are many layers of vegetation, such as shade trees, shrubs, and creepers that hang down from the roof, forming a cover, preventing dust and urban noise. Greenery Curtain House has a fresh atmosphere and is close to nature. Everything is focused on the garden, the fish pond, and the architectural space. The owners are an elderly couple, accustomed to a simple and peaceful life, except on weekends when their child's family visits. The main spaces are arranged around an inner courtyard in the middle of the house, creating a peaceful, quiet radial space, separate from the outside city. Now, the spaces in the house are surrounded by nature, oriented toward nature, and facing each other, forming an introverted space that helps connect people with nature, with others, and with themselves. From any point in the house, you can see other people, trees, water, and aquariums. This allows you to feel nature in the form of air, sound, and light. The house was built in Mau Khe, a growing area of urban and economic construction in Quang Ninh Province, Vietnam. This land is also a coal mining center in the province. In the past, this area had low environmental quality due to mining operations, but recently the air and urban environment quality have greatly improved. The main materials used in the house are red bricks and exposed concrete, creating a rustic, warm, and human feel. The materials are also an important element in creating the architectural space, generating emotions in people, and enhancing the beauty of nature and the architectural environment. The house was built with simple methods and local, common materials to create an emotional living space, close to people and nature. The upper floor is a space for reading and worship.